Well, it's always good to keep your mother-in-law happy, isn't it? Well, the other day my mother-in-law got some foam to make the dog a bed, well, Coco, a bed, and some wadding that is covered in fabric already. I thought it was such a good idea. I've never seen it before, and it's ideal for any patchwork projects. I'll keep it in mind. So we did this the other day, a sort of envelope, and now we need the cover, not only to protect it, but for him to be comfy. And to cover it, we're going to use this bed cover she found. It's not like a plain color, so it's good because it will hide the hairs. Important. I don't know how much a dog bed will be. Let me know that in the comments if you know. But that's why sewing is ideal, because you can do anything you need for the house, for yourself, for your pet. So subscribe if you're new around here, because we sew about anything: clothes, decor, anything. Well, the cover we're going to do is like an envelope cover, like a pillowcase cover. It's really easy. It's ideal for beginners, or if you know how to sew, you can have it done in 10 minutes. It's nothing. So what you have to make sure is your measurements, because we're going to double it. It's going to be a whole sheet of fabric that we're going to fold. So I have 1 meter 2 centimeters long and 82 centimeters wide. So what we're going to do is to decide where we want to fold it, and that measurement we need double and a bit more, like 30 centimeters more, so we can fold it and have the inside that is the pillowcase. And you can even measure with the cushion itself. So the goal for this is to cover the whole thing and have extra fabric so you can fold inside and keep your mattress, your cushion, whatever it is, inside. You won't see it and it will look nice and tidy. And when you're doing something like this, taking advantage of a bedspread you have at home or something like that, make sure you put your cushion or your mattress right to the edge so you can take advantage of the edge that's already hemmed. That way you have to hem less, because if you place the cushion in the middle and you cut around, you'll have to hem all around it, and it makes no sense. So just do yourself a favor and do that. What I do need to hem is the edge here, the raw edge, because it's the one we're going to see, not this side, because it's going to be sewn together. And with this already hemmed, I'm going to place it on the table with the and with this already hemmed, I'm going to place it on the table wrong size out, so I can see what I'm doing, and that way I have it ready and I can fold it with the measurement in mind. So when folding it, it's like folding it in 3, but we have to make sure that the measurement is the same as the cushion, which is 82. So take it slowly and do measure all the times you need to. because it's better to measure and make sure. What is it? Measure twice, cut once. Well, the same, measure twice, sew once as well. And that way you don't have any mistakes. That side looks really nice because it has all the hemming, double hem, but this side isn't because it's the one I cut. So I'm going to zigzag stitch it once I sew it. And now once we have a dry size out, really nice, looking good. Well, and with this, it's done. I think it's ideal. It's really good to have things you can improve in the house, and maybe it's not the most exciting thing, maybe it's not a new dress, or maybe it's not a fancy cushion, but you can have something done that it's useful, that you need to do, and that is going to improve your life or the ones that you love. So that's always nice, isn't it? And with this, and it's only 3 seams, we have the mattress cover. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. I love this fabric. It's really good for this project because it's sturdy. It's not a thin cotton, which you can always use if you like, if you find a nice pattern you love. But something a bit stronger is better for this project because with the pose, he's going to damage it. So let me know what you think, and if you're new around here, subscribe because we sew a lot. Bye. La pelota, no rompas la pelota, mira. ¿Estás cómodo?